Okay, suppose let us have a combinations of two or more operations. So this time, we have the complement of A union complement of B. Again, the complement of A union complement of B. When we talk about complement, what are the elements of the universal that are not on the given set? So let us start with the elements of A are 1, 3, and 5. The elements of B is 3, 4, 5. We have already given. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is 1, 3, 5. B is 3, 4, 5. And C is 2, 4. So our A is 1, 3, 5. Getting the complement of A, we have to get the complement of A first and the complement of B before we get the union. So what is the complement of A? So meaning, what are the elements in the universal that are not in A? A has 1, 3, 5. So we have 2 and 4. So this is now the complement of A. 2, 4. This is green, the green one. Now, what is the complement of B? Our B is 3, 4, 5. Getting the complement of this, we talk about complement, meaning what are the elements in U that are not in B? So we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is missing for B. So the complement of set B is 1 and 2. After that, get the union. So the union between these two, so just combine, we have 1. Since 2, we have two twos here, so we just copy only once. We have 2, then 4. So this is now our answer for the complement of A union complement of B. Another example, this time we have a, a parenthesis. Outside this, we have here the complement and we have here the intersection. In this case, we are going to get first the intersection before the complement. Again, get the intersection first before the complement because this is a read as the complement between the intersection of A and C, the complement of the intersection. So you cannot get the complement without getting the intersection because it's the complement of intersection. So we have to get the intersection of A and C. What mean by intersection? Intersection, we have to look for the common elements. So our A is 1, 3, 5. Our C is 2, 4. What are the common elements of this? Since we don't have the common elements, so the result is empty. We don't have the common elements of this. So we have here empty. After getting the intersection or getting the common element, that's the time that we have to get the complement. So what is the complement of this? When we talk about complement, what is in the universal that are not in this? So take note, when you get the complement of empty, the answer is the universal. So therefore, the complement or the missing terms or elements of this empty are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the elements in the universal. So this is now the result. Again, getting the complement of the empty set, the result is universal set. We have the third example. This time we have a difference and a complement. So the difference between B and the complement of C. So this time we will get first the complement of C before we subtract. So just copy B. We have 3, 4, 5. This is our B. Minus. What is the complement of C? Our C is 2, 4. So what are the complement? What is the complement of C? So we have 1, 3, 5. So the elements that is missing in C. That is in the universal. So we have here 1, 3, 5. This time we are going to subtract 1, 3, 5 from 3, 4, 5. Take note, we will be getting our answer in a set difference. We will be getting our answer in the first group, in this group. So this time we are going to remove 3 and 5 because we have to subtract 3, 5 here. So we have 3 and 5. So the remaining term here is 4. So the answer is 4. Take note, we will be getting our answer on the first group. Unsa may nahabilin diri? Gikuhaan siya 135. Gikuhaan 35. 35 lang kay mo siya 1. So ang nahabilin is 4. So 4 ang answer. Dili siya apil ang 1 because we will not get our answer from the subtrahend or the second group. It is from the first group. Okay, so this time, let us have a combinations of the operations. Union is combine. Intersection is the common elements. Complement is the set in the universal that are not on the given set. So suppose we have here set of x 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Our y 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Our z is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. So this time, how are you going to get quantity? We have the union between x or z. Then we have here the intersection to y. So first thing first, you are going to start from the terms inside, the operations inside the parentheses or the grouping symbol. So we will start from x union z. What do you mean by x union z? We will combine all the elements of x and z. Okay, combine. We have 1, 2. Since we have 2 fours, we just copy only 1 4. 6, 7, 8, common 10. Just copy once. 12, 13, and 16. So this is now the red one. This is the union between x or z. When we talk about union, we simply combine all the elements. After getting the union, that's the time that we have to get the intersection. What do you mean by intersection? Intersection meaning the common element. So if this is the union, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, then we have to get its intersection to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So you have to look for the common elements of this. So what are the common elements? We have 6 and 12. So therefore, our answer is 6 and 12. 6, 12. This is the answer of this quantity x union z intersection y. Take note, you have to start from the union first. You have to combine these two. Then the result, you are going to look for the common to y. So because we have to start from the grouping symbol, then next to outside the grouping symbol. Okay, another example. Okay, this time, the quantity y intersection x union z. So this time we have two operations. We have intersection and we have the union. So you have to get first the intersection. This time will start from the intersection because it is inside the grouping symbol. So what are the common elements of y and x? Y and x because this is an intersection. So we have 6 and 12. So we have 6, 12, the common elements of. After getting the common elements, that's the time that we have to get the union. So we are going to combine this 6, 12 union to 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 6, 16. Take note, when we talk about union, you simply combine all the elements. So combining these two group, we have 1, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 16. So this is now our answer. Again, given the quantity y intersection x union z, you have to start from the operations inside the parentheses. So this parentheses. So we have to get the intersection first. Then the answer of this will be combined to z. So this is the what we call a combinations of two or more operations. So
I never made it, but I know